You know, it reminds me of my life.
Kanina ka pahinulong sa akong kinabuhi.
I think this is the time for my testimony.
Siguro panahon niya sa akong testimonya.
Now, how many of you
Pila lang kaninyo,
thought that I was born in the Seventh-day Adventist Church?
nagaw-nauna na ako na anak din ha sa iglesia sa Adventista.
How many of you did?
Pila sa inyo.
Well, I was not born in the Seventh-day Adventist Church. I was born in the Catholic Church.
Ako na anak din ha sa iglesia, Romana Katoliko.
But in 1974,
Ako niya itong 1974,
an Adventist couple gave me a Bible in Spanish.
mag-asawa nga Adventista naghatag na kong Biblia diyan sa sinulatan sa Espanyol.
I took it,
Ako niyang ikuha,
put her in my shelf in my
butan ako
house,
sa kumbutanganan sa balay,
and never opened it.
o wala din ako nag-abrihan.
My life was pretty bad.
Batigin kaya akong kinabuhi.
I was not married then,
Wala pa ko anak na ninyo.
and I wasn't living right.
O wala ko na kinabuhi nga eksakto.
I was doing a lot of bad stuff.
Daghan kong mga dili maayong butang ginahimo mo.
I wasn't a good person.
Dili ko maayong matao.
Well, I thought maybe I'm not a bad person, but really, I never went to church.
Dili gid siguro ko nga imong ninganan kadatag na tao, pero wala gyud ko nagatag simbahan.
Did things that I shouldn't have done.
Daghan
Did things that I should have done.
mga nagahimo mga butang nga dili gid taton ako dapat buhaton.
And all of a sudden, my life was turned upside down.
Ug sa galit lang akong kinabuhi, daw nagalintuan.
I found myself
Ako nakita akong kaugalingon
all alone,
nga naginusahan.
and I began to drink
Ug nagsugod ko sa pag-inom.
and drink
Ug inom,
and drink.
o nahugog.
I don't recall one day that I didn't drink.
Wala dyan ko nag-inom kung isa ka adlaw na wala ko nag-inom.
For one whole year, I would drink every single day
Sa usa ka tibuok tuig, nag-inom ko kada adlaw.
because that was the only way I could go to sleep.
Kay mo na'y pamagi nga makatulog ko.
I done things that I couldn't get to sleep because, and I had to drink to get to sleep.
Sige, kinahanglan ako ang Panginoon, aron ako makatulog.
One day I woke up in the morning,
Usa ka adlaw ning mata ko sa kabutagon,
looked myself in the mirror,
ilantaw akong kawalingon sa salamin,
and what I saw, it wasn't exactly what I thought it was.
ug ang ako nakitaan, dili mao ang akong ginahuna nga maunta.
It wasn't me in that picture, in that mirror.
Dili na ako ato nga salamin.
It was an awful person.
Usa ka makaluluoy na tawo.
I felt so bad.
Lain kay akong paminaw.
I went to my room
Iadto ko sa akong kwarto,
and began to cry.
ug nagsugod sa paghila.
I kneeled down next to my bed,
Nag-angko ko din na naghihulog ko sa doon sa akong hidanan,
and I just say two words,
ug nagingon ako duha ka mga pulong.
only two words.
Duha lang yung ka mga pulong.
God help me.
God help me.
And from that moment on,
Ug sugod niya ang gayon,
my life began to change.
nautro ang akong kinabuhi.
I remember someone gave me a Bible a few years ago,
Nahinumdum ko nga na naghatag na akong Biblia, pila ka mga tuig ang nilabay,
and I looked for the Bible.
ug akong ipangita ang Biblia.
I turned my closet upside down,
Ako yung ilantaw sa akong closet,
finally found it.
ug sa katapusan nakita
It was underneath so many books.
ubos siya sa daghan kay nga mga libro,
I eagerly took it out,
ako yung siya gikuha,
opened it up,
giabrihan,
and there were some passages highlighted on the Bible.
o doon yung mga talata na gipahayagan din sa Biblia.
John 3:16 was highlighted.
Juan 3:16 ang nahayagan,
Psalms 23 was highlighted.
Salmo 23,
Exodus 20 was highlighted.
Exodus 20,
And almost the whole book of Revelation was
ang
highlighted.
halos ang libong libro sa pinadayag ang nahayagan.
I knew I had to change my life.
Kabalo ko kinahanglan ako usbon akong kinabuhi.
I was working for a large company in America.
Ako nag-trabaho sa isang kumpanya dito sa Amerika.
In 1981,
Niadtong 1981,
I was making $4,000 a month.
nagaling mo ko 4,000 kadolyares
In
kada adlaw.
1981.
1981.
That's a lot of money for 1981. I tell
Daghan
you.
kay ang kwarta na pang 1981.
I began to go to church on Sabbath.
Nagsugod ko pagkat sa simbahan sa Sabado.
I was my own supervisor,
Ako ang kawalingan ako ng
so
supervisor.
I took the Sabbath off.
So off ang ako ang Sabado.
The company, the owner of the company, realized that I wasn't there on Sabbath.
Nahibalan sa pag-iya sa kumpanya na wala ko dito sa Sabado.
And so he called me Saturday night.
So iya akong itawag Sabado sa gabi.
He says, come on over, I need to talk to you.
Alin dire kay mag-istorya ko sa imo.
And he says, you weren't here today, were you? I said, no, I wasn't.
Ingon siya, wala ka din, hindi sa muli kagikan. Ingon ko, wala, di ba ko diri?
He says, where were you?
Di sa kagikan.
I said, I was in church.
Ingon ko, gikan ko simbahan.
He said, you were in church?
Nakaka sa simbahan? Ingon siya.
You don't go to church.
You don't go to church.
I went to church.
Wala ka din sa simbahan. Ingon siya, nagkakasin daw siya sa simbahan.
He says, I need you here on Saturdays and Sundays.
Ingon siya, giginaan ka din sa Sabado o Domingo.
And I said, I wouldn't be here Saturdays, I'll be here Sunday.
Kaya kung wala ko din sa Sabado, hindi ko din Domingo.
He says, if that's what you're going to do,
Kung kanayin mo ang imuon,
I'm going to have to fire you.
kuhaan sa trabaho.
I said, you don't have to, here's my keys.
Kaya na kung dili na mo kinahanglan ko si Sante, dara ako ang mga susi.
So I turned my keys on to him.
Sa akong gihatag sa iya ang akong susi,
I walked away
niglakaw ko,
from a $4,000 a month job.
gikan sa 4,000.
What would I do now without a job?
What ba?
What would I do now without a
Sa akong
job?
buhatan karon na wala akong trabaho.
I said, God, now I really need your help.
O Ginoo karon ni kinahanglan ni kay nako imong tabang.
But I feel so at peace in my heart.
Pero linaw kay akong kasing-kasing.
I have no desire to drink,
Wala din ko nagahandom ang
none
imuon.
whatsoever.
Dili gyud.
I had a 6-pack of beer in the refrigerator,
Na ako'y unong kapakit sa beer dito sa akong refrigerator.
which I didn't touch at all.
Na wala ko na ako gihikap.
I began to go to church every Sabbath,
Nagsugod ko mga sa simbahan kada Sabado.
and in 1983 I was baptized.
O 1983 na bautismuhan ko. Amen.
I went to Walla Walla College
Niadto ko sa kolehiyo sa Walawala,
in 1984.
1984.
I began to study the Bible.
Nagsugod ko sa pag-estudyo sa Biblia.
I began to go to church and work in the church,
Nagsugod ko sa pag-ati sa simbahan o nagtrabaho dito sa simbahan.
and my life changed completely.
O ako tibok kinabuhi na usab yun.
I had to take that one step,
Iginahal ako pagkuha niya ng usa kalakang,
but that one step changed my life.
pero kanay sa kalakang nakapausab sa akong kinabuhi.
It was hard
Lisod to,
because I didn't have any money.
kaya wala na ko yung kwarta.
But the God of love has blessed me tremendously.
Pero ang Diyos sa gugma, nagapanalangin ka na ako sa makadadaya yun.
I met my wife in the church.
Ako nakita akong asawa sa simbahan.
We got married, been married for 30 years.
Kami nag-video o video may 30 anyos na.
We have 4 children.
Ano na kami upat ng mga anak.
They're all in the church, thank God.
Silang tanan na ang simbahan.
They're good men.
Mga mayo sila ng mga tao.
They're not vegetarian like I am.
Hindi yun sila mga vegetarian. Parehan ako.
They're having a hard time becoming vegetarian.
Bisan sa ila magiging vegetarian.
They like hamburgers.
Gusto silang hamburger.
But anyway, that's my life.
Pero mo pa akong kinabuhi.
Maybe it's hard for you to make a decision.
Siguro lisod po sa inyo ang paghipo o desisyon.
And I understand that because it was hard for me.
Nakasabot ko na kay lisod po para sa ako.
But I said 2 words to God.
Pero ako nagayon ng duha ka pulong sa
And
Diyos.
sometimes those 2 words
Kung usahay ka ng duha ka mga pulong,
have a lot of meaning.
adunay daghan nga
God
pagpasabot.
helped me.
God help.
And He did.
O siya ay niya.
So my friend, if you have to make a step to be baptized,
Kung kamo mga igsuon, magahin mo sa lakang sa pagpabautismo,
and you're not sure,
o kamo dili sigurado,
I want to give you some time to think about it.
tagaan ko kamo,
I would like to ask the girls, my helpers, to pass out some cards around. Even if you're not one to baptize, just pass those cards to everybody.